So what's up, guys? Today I have a video of pretty much just going down over the basis of how to do gangster writing, but with a twist of with some graffiti in it. The styles are pretty unique. I like them a lot. So the A will be like this, the B, and then the C, just to give you an idea of what the style is or how the letters look. So it's like that. And then the D, the E. So you see, it kind of has similarities with like gang style, but I throw a little twist with like graffiti in it because it's not officially gang writing. I think it looks cool. I think it looks unique. Pretty easy. If you do notice, there's a lot of similar characteristics to these letters. Like the A, you see the triangle shape right here. You can see the same thing with a B right here, and with a C right here, and with an E right here. It's just on opposite sides with a B right here too. So it's all about making your straight lines with a little bit of curve in them. You see the curve right here. So we continue. The F will be a curved line like that with a straight top. Then you just do it right here like that. Then the F. Continue with a G. The G you can do it various ways, but I'm gonna do it the same as the E, the F, the C, the B, which is that way. The H, you're pretty much gonna do the same thing with the A. You're gonna come down, then you're gonna bring it down right here like that. There you go. You could have some style and just bring it on like that. If it's the last letter or something. The I, you're gonna do the pointy top again. You're gonna bring it down, and then this is where you just like bring it out and then bring it back up. If it doesn't look like an I to you, you could go ahead and add a little dot on the top and then resemble the I to. The J is pretty straightforward. You just bring it down right there. The K, you're gonna bring it down like a regular K, bring it down, but bring it up, then to the right, and then down. The M, you're gonna regular M, bring it down like that. The N is gonna be like the M, and then the O pretty much is gonna be like the A. The P, just another straight line down. Then right here, you're gonna add that triangle right there. OP. Q. The R is gonna be similar to the K. So what you're gonna do is just bring it down. They're gonna be right there like that. And then bring it in and then out. And then out again. The S. I did that one a little bit too big. I think it's supposed to come down right here. But yeah, you get the point. Then it's gonna be the T. The V. The V is kind of regular, you know. It's hard to add style to the V, but if you want to add some style to it, just bring it out like that. The X. The Y. And then the Z at the end. So yeah, that's the alphabet. This is my little style that I kind of like picked up along doing like some regular gangster letters right here. You can see A B C D E F G. So I picked it up and then I started mixing, trying to like do gangster letters too, but then at the same time mixing it up. And this is what I came up. So pretty much all you gotta remember is the straight line with the top, or the shape of a triangle. You see it right here too. Triangle, triangle, triangle. The top, the pointy part of the triangle right here. Triangle too is right here. Where else? Right here too. Right here I kind of just, right here too, J. And where else? Where else? Right here, the top, the bottom right here, the bottom right here, the bottom right here. So pretty much just remember those, like keep those shapes in mind when you want to do the A. And always kind of like start with the line, then throw it out, and then bring it back up. And then you can do the same. And if you want, you could do one line longer than the other one. Right there, like that. It looks pretty cool. It's unique to me. I like it a lot. You can also, let me see. You guys can see this. Yeah. So yeah, if you want to write something or come out like that, it looks pretty unique. It looks pretty badass. And you could, there's always like just different styles that you could do, like that kind of stems from like gang writing. Yeah, you guys. So if you want to learn this style, it's pretty much easy. You guys could use this as a template. Template. Use it. Copy the style. I don't really care. You guys could do whatever you want with it. Screenshot it so you guys could practice, and then